Welcome po sa ating Hydrocolor Phonion 2024 na parte ng Linggo ng Kabataan ngayong taon. Ginawa na po natin ito noong nakaraang taon at gagawin po natin ulit ngayong taon. Our goal is to increase and maging active ang youth participation dito sa Barangay Kanumay East. And I really hope mag-enjoy ang lahat ng kabataan sa mga events na gaya nito at sa mga susunod pang events na parte ng Linggo ng Kabataan. So, welcome and mag-enjoy ang lahat. Magbasaan tayo, paulanin natin ang umagang ito. Maraming salamat po.
The way you move's enchanting, lighting up my eyes. Move me side to side, up and down. I like you all around. I like you all around, round. Want you close to me, on your feet, never coming down. We're never coming down, down. Got me floating to the ceiling for you. I just can't explain this feeling for you. Got me floating to the ceiling for you. I just can't explain this feeling for you.
Masaya naman yung experience dito, guys. Sa ngayon, nagkakatuwaan pa rin kami dito, guys. Yung naging experience ko po dito, napakasaya. Marami po akong nakilala bagong kaibigan po. Yun, enjoy lang po kami dito. Yan.